Hello students, let us see this question here. The electrostatic potential on a surface of charge conducting sphere is 100 volt. So a charge conducting sphere is there, that is, suppose this is this. So here the potential is given 100 volt here, this is given in the question. Two statements are made in this regard. S1 at any point inside the sphere electric intensity is 0. So this statement is correct because this is a metal sphere, and as you all know, inside the if you take any point within the interior of a metal, then the electric field is 0. So obviously this is correct. This statement is correct here. If I talk about the statement 2 now, the S2 at any point inside the sphere, the electrostatic potential is 100 volt. So this is also correct because any metal sphere is equipotential. I mean, all the points of any metal is at the same potential. So if you take any point inside the sphere, that will have the same potential, that is 100 volt. So this is also correct. Now let us see which out of 4 the given options which are correct here. S1 is true but S2 is false. This is wrong because both statements are correct. Both S1 S2 are false. This is also wrong. Let us take the option C. S1 is true, S2 is also true, and S1 is the cause of S2. Obviously S1 S2 both are true. Since S1 electric field intensity is 0 inside the point, so as you all know, the E vector dot product dr vector is equal to dv. So since E vector is 0 inside any point of the metal sphere, so the LHS will become 0 here, so I can say dv will become 0. So this implies change in potential is 0. So this implies potential is constant. If I take for this equation I am writing for any point inside the sphere. For any point inside the sphere, E is 0, so the dv will become 0. So the change in potential is coming 0. So this implies if the change in potential is coming 0, so the potential will remain constant. So this implies potential is constant. So if the potential is constant, so this implies everywhere, if you take any point inside the sphere, the potential will remain 100 volt. So if you take here also 100 volt, here also 100 volt, everywhere 100 volt will there. And why it is happening? Why the change is why it is becoming constant? The reason is electric field is 0. So obviously the S1 is explaining, the statement 1 is explaining the statement 2. So it is obviously it is saying S1 is true, S2 is also true, and S1 is the cause of S2 because it is saying the S1 explains the S2, and this I have shown you here. So obviously statement C is correct. D is saying S1 is true, S2 is also true, but statements are independent. That is wrong because they are not independent. The statement S1 is explaining the statement S2. So option C is correct here. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.